If you're a busy professional, listen up. Welcome back to AI with Dr. Majid. Today, we're diving into automating your daily tasks with AI. Automate your schedule. Technology can manage your schedule. AI assistants like Google Assistant and Siri help automate scheduling. Say, "Hey Google, schedule a meeting." Embrace AI to transform your time management. Are you drowning in a sea of emails? Conquering email overload. Email can feel like a never-ending black hole. We're bombarded with countless messages and spam. AI tools like SaneBox and Superhuman help you regain control. They sort through your emails. SaneBox filters out noise, prioritizing important emails. It learns from your behavior. Superhuman offers AI-powered search and smart compose, speeding up your writing process. Reclaim hours lost in your inbox. Embrace AI for a more organized, efficient way of working. Stop doing everything manually, do automation instead. Managing social media can feel like a full-time job. Automation tools like Buffer and Hootsuite help. Schedule posts in advance for consistency, free up time, and watch your presence grow. Struggling to stay organized? Watch this. Mastering task management with AI tools like Notion AI and Trello AI streamline your workflow. They generate personalized to-do lists and prioritize tasks. Notion AI breaks down projects into manageable tasks. Trello AI suggests tasks based on urgency. They optimize your workflow, say goodbye to overwhelming to-do lists, celebrate your productivity. Struggling to manage daily tasks? Automate tasks with Zapier and IFTTT. Save email attachments to cloud storage, reclaim your time. Use AI-powered search to find files fast. Type keywords and AI shows relevant files. AI learns from past searches. Struggling with note-taking? AI tools like Otter.ai and Notion AI transform it. Otter.ai transcribes real-time, capture every comment, identify speakers, key takeaways, review with ease, goodbye note-taking anxiety. Struggling with managing your finances? AI tools like Clio and Digit can help. Digit saves money automatically. Clio helps you budget. Say goodbye to financial stress. Let AI guide you to financial wellness. Tech enthusiasts, listen up. AI-powered smart home automation, control with a few words, set routines for convenience, enhance safety and efficiency. Get the best health and fitness of your life. AI-powered apps like MyFitnessPal and Apple Health revolutionize wellness. Log meals, get insights. Receive personalized recommendations. Get workout suggestions. Apple Health integrates with other apps. Comprehensive health overview. Transform your health journey with AI. Discover 10 powerful ways to automate tasks using AI. Embrace AI and explore new possibilities. Like subscribe and hit the bell for more AI tips. See you next time.